Hi everyone, I just saw this beautiful moon sighting, so I thought I'll just make a video of it whilst I'm taking pictures of it anyway. And show you guys how I use Lightroom to take absolutely beautiful, stunning shots. Look at that moon, it's gorgeous. And I am using just a regular phone, not with it's not the best camera out there, but I can still take pretty awesome shots and I want to show you guys that. So let's go. It's all pretty simple. First of all, I like to play with exposure. Do you see? All you have to do is take the slider up and down. And I'm always in pro mode, notice. This is, I just want to brighten the moon, that's all, that's why I kind of lowered that down. Click on that area, adjust the exposure itself actually as well. So if you just click on random areas, it allows you to adjust the exposure that way. Okay. I'm going to experiment with different angles as well. So I'm going to show you guys what this is all about. I like to get the moon right in the center and click. You can play with the settings of the daylight, cloudy, fluorescent, etc. I'm just going to keep it for now. This is the vibe. Keep that. I like to do is play on these filters a little bit, especially the warm shadow one is quite nice. Look at that. And you kind of bring it up a little like that. Focus on the moon. I want to show you guys the pictures I've just taken. Okay. This is just me playing around before I start the video. I forgot I could have made it in the video. It does just take some time to load because they're on Lightroom, so they're raw photos. The moon is looking so beautiful. I feel so blessed sat here watching this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Like, it's gorgeous. Look at that. You can't see as good as it is in real life, but it's absolutely beautiful. Of course I will be editing the color scheme of this as well, just to make it a little bit more realistic. Let me just show you the moon one more time. I'm absolutely obsessed. Okay, let's do this. Right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see and how I could improve as well. So thank you for this and see you guys later. Bye bye.